Testing. Recording in progress. Hey guys, welcome to Pro Se Legal School. You get to be the judge. You be the judge. I'm Coach Neighbors, and in this video, I'm going to go over the letter that Judge Kopecky sent me. The video I posted yesterday was the wrong one. I did not realize it was the highlight video. And the original video got deleted. So I'm blaming it on my assistants. When you have a really bad mess up, you want to blame it on all of your assistants. Okay, so I'm going to do a screen share, and I'm just going to share this letter real quick that I got from Judge Kopecky. Now, here is the letter that Judge Kopecky sent me. And it says here, you recently submitted some additional documents attached to the municipal court where you reference case number blah, blah, and MC. That means municipal court. But then again, changed the caption to include various plaintiffs. So I added his wife and so that's kind of why he's still grumpy. But that's all right. Let's just go on. Captions and demands to move to state court. So what I filed was demand to strike Mr. Kopecky's bench warrant for my arrest because he is not registered. According to federal law, he is supposed to be registered with FARA, the Foreign Agent Registration Act, and he is not. And therefore, he's in violation of federal law. So I'm thinking that the city needs to do a review of all of the decisions that he did against people. Oh, wait, and he is not a real judge. Oh. So let's just go on and check out the rest of this letter. So, man, you see here, you may recall, he says, from our last correspondence that the municipal court adjudicates violations of city code provisions and ordinances, but it does not handle civil litigation, restraining orders, or other demands/notices referenced in your documents. Accordingly, these documents are being returned to you. So I'm a little confused here. They're saying they don't do civil litigation. However, the police officer signed the summons in place of a judicial officer of the court in violation of the separation clause in the Constitution to start all of this, and I was already arrested. I was arrested one time, and my happy ass hauled off to jail to teach me a lesson, and then they want me to show up again, I'm not sure they want. Let's just check out the rest of the letter. There is currently a warrant out for you for missing your court date. Oh, I'm scared of that warrant. And you know what I think about that? What I've learned is, though, municipal court don't have judicial authority to send the police out to do shit. And that's why they sent me over to state court. But state court remembers that I don't take no plea deal. So they sent me back. And instead of Mr. Kopecky dismissing the stuff or whatever, he's a little grumpy because I added his wife to his own shit, and he's so. Anyway, so he didn't dismiss it. But he's letting me know that there's currently a warrant, and this is easy to resolve and get me back on track. They want to get me back on track. I'm like, I'm not off track. I haven't been arrested. I'm not in your shit. I didn't do what you needed to start your little funky process, and it wouldn't have helped anyway. So, I don't know. So he's letting me know here that he says you can post a cash bond with the court in the amount of $263 and have the warrant set aside and put on a new court date. Okay, so if I'm going to pay the $263, it should be done. I mean, I don't know. If I wanted to be like a dumbass and pay the $263 because I was scared that they're going to come and get me, then it would be done. So I'm going to pay the $263, and then I still got to go before his happy ass because he's mad. Okay, so who wants to go in my place to go down there and let them slap you? I don't think nobody wants to do that. Okay, sorry. I just thought I'd throw it on the table in case there's anybody. Oh, wait. Oh, there's more. Alternatively, that means like he's offering me another option. Oh, I'm getting all kind of options up in her. Okay, alternatively, if you would like to come in any weekday between 8 and 8:30, you may ask to have your case pulled and request that the judge set aside the warrant without posting bond. Oh, damn! They would do. They would do. Judge Kopecky, you would do that for me. Let me get my phone and call up. It's past 6. Okay, I can't call right now. Oh, yeah. So if I go down there and ask them, they'll pull it and they'll set aside the warrant without posting bond. Oh, wait. Already posted my OR bond to get out from the first arrest. I don't think Judge Pecky Cole remembers that I've been arrested already. Okay, so and I don't know. I'm sure he's not used to having things go the way this shit's going up in his face right now. So there's more. Under the Constitution, once your warrant is taken care of, you may have your case set for trial. Oh wait, I have to do something about the warrant before my case is set for trial? Oh, okay. Okay, so, at trial, you may cross-examine your accuser, present evidence, and the city must prove, that you are guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Oh, wait. Who's my accuser? There's no injured party. Dude was not injured. I'm not a U.S. citizen, so I'm not subject to the statutory bullshit that they're trying to stick in my face. And so the only people that signed anything was the police officer who signed the original summons for me to appear in court on behalf of officer of the court because he was mad. And now the judge has signed the bench warrant to arrest me because I called down there and told him I wasn't coming down there, but I went down there and provided them my notice of claim to let them know I'm going to file a lawsuit or whatever. Oh, but so in the real world that should stop some shit, but not in this world. So they want to just like keep on and keep on and keep on. So he's got some alternative options for me here that are really nice. So I could come in and I don't know. This is like the Kopecky plea deal. Mr. Kopecky, Judge Kopecky, Judge Pro Temp Judge fake ass Kopecky. Let me ask you something. So this deal you're offering me to come in, plead no contest, be sentenced, and appeal my case to the state court with a trial de novo. Anybody looked up what trial de novo is? I already know. Look it up. Trial de novo. That means that I would get a trial on the appellate level. Oh, wait. I'm going to appeal my case to the state court. So I'm going to appeal from the fake court to the state court. Fake court, state court. How's that going to work? That's ridiculous as hell. There is a state appellate court. That's where you go to appeal. But you can't appeal shit there if you're in a fake court. Oh, wait, even if you was in state court, you can't appeal nothing because the state court judge is not going to provide conclusions of law and a fact of findings, which is what you need to be able to appeal. So they got your ass in an administrative hearing where they have no rules and you have no rights. So that's the way that goes. So they want me to come in and plead no contest, be sentenced. What if he sentenced me to, like, there's no way I could do that because after I add his wife to his own shit, I am thinking he's probably taking an ass whooping every time he goes home. So his wife probably a little grumpy. I would be grumpy if I was his wife and this happened. And he could have stopped all of this way before now. Oh, they want me to go in and no, I'm not asking for shit. I'm having fun. So, Mr. Peckico, I'm not asking to dismiss a damn thing because that ain't how I roll. Now, I realize this is an opportunity to start over again with your case in Douglas County District Court. Oh, that's the biggest bunch of shit I ever heard from an attorney. Attorney lies. Attorney lie with their mouth moved. So our municipal court judge will be happy to discuss all of your options with you once you come in. Thank you. Municipal court. Oh, wait. Municipal court. Nobody signed this. Municipal court don't have arms or legs or hands or fingers or brain or shit and can't sign nothing. So, right here they said this. This link here. If you copy and paste it, it pulls up on the internet all of the attorneys for the city of Lawrence, for the entire city of Lawrence. So I guess that's who all got together. And wrote this letter to me. I already know who wrote this letter to me. Mr. Peckico wrote this letter to me, and I'm going to go there because you can tell right here that this is attorney wording here, wherein you reference your case number. Oh, wait, you changed the caption and included various plaintiffs. Oh, I can change the caption and include whoever the hell I want to. And didn't mention that it was a demand to strike his sorry ass bench warrant. I guess because he's not registered as a foreign agent with the Foreign Agent Registration Act. No, didn't mention none of that. Oh, he did mention that they adjudicate violations of previous codes. Okay, and ordinances. But what they charged my happy ass with was assault, and then I was also charged with criminal trespass on my business property. So that gives you an idea how much the attorney, they give you an idea how much the cop knew. He was so busy to jam me up because there's no way that little white dude that was half my size would be punching me in the face. Even though the dude admitted that he punched me first, he admitted it twice. He didn't actually punch me. He tried to punch me, and I was already leaning in, so his punch went from a punch to a headlock, and then, I'm going to post the beginning of that fight so you guys can check it out and see that the old man still, Yeah, but it took me a little while to recuperate from that, so I ain't even gonna lie. So that's the letter that Mr. Pecky Cole sent me, and I wanted to share it. I was going to share it yesterday, but I posted the wrong video. So that's all I got. Thank you guys for the value of sharing your time. I need to go cook me some food because my brain don't work very well and my stomach ain't happy. See you guys in the next video.